Hey there, had some time to make a quick video for you to let you know what's going on this week. I've been doing a lot of driving and writing offers. I actually landed 2 condos, almost a house, but the house didn't work out. Multiple offers on just about everything, even the condos, which is kind of crazy. But I wanted to share some tips and tricks with you guys about how to make offers and how to present them in the best way to the seller. And really, there's just a couple of little simple things that you can do to make the process easier, because I know how frustrating this is buying a home during this extreme seller's market. So what's making it so hard right now to get a house is simply timing, and nobody has any time to even think or do anything. It's just jump in the car and let's go see this house. So let's think about that. How soon are you getting notified about listings? If you're using syndicated sites like Zillow and Realtor.com, you have to be aware that those sites are not updated right away. It takes a few hours for the new listings to reach those sites. So when you're working with a buyer's agent, the buyer's agent can actually plug in your information straight into the MLS, and they can send you the listings ASAP. We actually have a box called ASAP that we can check, and that sends you the new listings in your price range as soon as they hit the market. Remember, realtors are always looking at that hot sheet. A good buyer's agent is looking at the hot sheet every day. So you might want to call your buyer's agent and say, hey, what's on the hot sheet today? But we get to see those listings before anyone else does, if the realtor is active and looking at them during the day. So my biggest tip for buyers right now is don't sweat the small stuff and don't pour over all the little details about the house before you make an offer. Let me tell you a story. I was just thinking about this the other day. When I was in 4th grade, I had a really great math teacher, and I remember her giving us tests, and we had to take the test in 15 minutes. But I really remember her walking around up and down the aisles looking at all the kids, and when a kid would get stuck on a problem, she would say, skip it, skip it. And then you would just hear her go around and just say skip it all the time. So that's just to give you a clue about, pouring over one little detail about the house is going to waste so much time. And I know for you analytical, detailed people out there, that's really hard for you. But just remember, that's why we have our contracts written to protect the buyer with inspection periods. We have 5 days for a data inspection. We have a full 10 days for a full home inspection. And that's going to give you the time after you get the home under contract, because remember, time is so valuable, and we just need to get the home under contract before you pour over all the details. So the next thing you want to think about is title fees. Now in Missouri, we have really low title fees to close on a house. Usually it's $1,000 or $1,500. You want to make the offer. If you have multiple offers on a house, I'm saying you want to make it the best you can make it. So go ahead and offer to pay all the title fees. It's not a lot of money, and it can make a big difference. If you're competing with another offer that's the same price, you're just looking a little bit better. Another thing that you could do is just simply to put down more earnest money. Usually on our contracts, buyers will put down $1,000 or $1,200. If you're comfortable and you have the money to spend, go ahead and put down $2,000 or $3,000, and it may be just enough to beat out all the other offers. And last but not least, go all in, jump in with both feet. Don't be afraid to make an offer. And I really hope this video has helped you. I'm just made it off the cuff really quickly sitting here in Battlefield Mall. So I'm gonna go in and take a break and look around, and I will see you guys next time. Just remember, if you like my videos, like, subscribe, hit the bell, get notified when I make another one. And I really hope you all have a great day. All right, see you later.